In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity in VS Code. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up Visual Studio Code, and then you want to click on this extension tab here on the left, and then you want to search for Perplexity. There we go. So I searched for Perplexity, and here you want to look for perplexity.ai, so it's going to be this one. Click on it and click on install. Now, once you do that over here on the left, as you can see, you're going to get this kind of two chat bubbles. You want to click on that, and this is basically now your Perplexity, and you can go ahead and select your preferred model. So we have the Sonar, Sonar Pro, Reasoning, Reasoning Pro, and then the Deep Research as well. So just click on the one you'd like, click on Open Chat Window, and a chat window is going to open up. You can then go ahead, enter your code question, and then hit enter to send. And as you can see over here, it also says you can do a Shift plus enter to add another line. So just type in whatever you want, press enter, and you're good to go. And this is how you actually use Perplexity in VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.